Welcome to THT Design Channel. I'm THT, who a designer and researcher of homes and living spaces. I am happy to share pictures and knowledge about the house with everyone. There are many different styles of living room interior design, from traditional to modern. The best style for you will depend on your personal preferences and the overall style of your home. Some popular living room interior design styles include traditional. This style is characterized by the use of classic furniture pieces, such as sofas, armchairs, and coffee tables. Traditional living rooms are often decorated with rich colors and patterns. Modern. This style is characterized by the use of clean lines and simple furniture pieces. Modern living rooms are often decorated with neutral colors and pops of color. Contemporary. This style is a mix of traditional and modern elements. Contemporary living rooms are often decorated with a variety of colors and patterns. Minimalist. This style is characterized by the use of few pieces of furniture and a focus on open space. Minimalist living rooms are often decorated with neutral colors and simple accents. When designing your living room, it is important to consider the following factors: the size of your room. The size of your room will dictate the type of furniture you can choose. The layout of your room. The layout of your room will determine how you can arrange your furniture. The amount of natural light your room gets. The amount of natural light your room gets will affect the colors you can choose for your walls and furniture. Your personal preferences. The most important factor to consider is your own personal preferences. Choose furniture and accessories that you love and that will make you feel comfortable in your space. Here are some tips for designing a living room that is both functional and stylish. Choose furniture that is comfortable and stylish. Use a variety of textures and patterns to add interest to your space. Add plants and flowers to bring life to your room. Use lighting to create a warm and inviting atmosphere. Accessorize with personal touches that reflect your style. With a little planning, you can create a living room that is both functional and stylish. In addition, you can refer to some more images and videos about interior design and home design on my channel to get more ideas for your home. Thanks for watching our videos. Please like and subscribe THT Design channel to not miss the latest video just for you.